Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, talking to you about how to clean your custom seat covers. Now, this set of seat covers that we just put inside a 2021 Ram 1500 Rebel is a nice, really nice looking set. It's a multicam black for the trim and black ostrich diamond stitch insert. And that was one of the first things a customer asked me was, hey, how do I clean these? And it's a great question. So here's really how you do it, is if you get something dirty inside here, what you do is just take some water, and this would be the first thing that I would do, is take some water, and you can see how this just this water just beads down, so you may need to, you know, kind of get your cloth wet and then wipe it down like that. So you just wipe it off with water, and now if you need to use a little bit of dish soap, you can use a little bit of dish soap, okay? Now, you wouldn't necessarily need to for most stains, but if you need to, you can do that, okay? Now, the same thing for the simulated leather, okay? I'm just gonna this is a microfiber cloth that I'm using right here, just gonna get that wet, and then just wipe it clean. Now, you're gonna clean these just while they're inside the vehicle. We do not recommend putting them in the dishwasher. We do not recommend putting them in the washing machine because it can really twist up the straps and everything else like that. So, and they take a long time to install. As you've seen through some of our install videos, they're harder to install than your standard seat covers. So, but that's why they fit so good and it looks so awesome. And we walk you through those installs. Okay, so you don't want to have to redo the install. Just clean them in place. Wet rag, you know, microfiber cloth, some water, that's going to do most of it. Now, if you need to put a little bit of dish soap inside there, usually I do about a 10% solution of dish soap. So, you know, for something like this, I do a drop or a couple of drops of dish soap. Not a lot of soap is really needed, just to get a little bit of soapy if you need to. And they wipe up fine just like that. Now, one thing I have done every now and then for these simulated leathers, and this is something I would only do on the simulated leather, is sometimes I will use a leather cream on that if you just want to kind of condition that simulated leather a little bit more, and especially if you live somewhere where it gets really cold, like North Dakota or Montana. You get freezing temperatures up there, okay, especially the winters. We're from Montana originally, and what you can do is you can wipe a conditioner, a leather conditioner on this, and we do offer one of these kind of leather cream, and I like rubbing that on, and it does give it kind of a nice look to it, kind of a nice glossy look, and it really just kind of helps waterproof and protect that leather, and then it also conditions it. Now, that is one thing we will see in some cold temperatures. If it gets really, really cold and you're not cleaning or conditioning the simulated leather, eventually, a couple years down the road, you can get some cracking. So this can help prevent that simulated leather from cracking. So you're just rubbing in a conditioner like this. Again, it does help to waterproof that a little bit more, and main thing it does is help condition it and keep it nice and pliable. Now, you will not want to use this on the canvas, okay? It's not going to do anything, and you don't want to use it on the canvas material. The only thing you need for the canvas material is water, your microfiber cloth, and a little soap if you need to, and that would be the way to clean that up. This leather cream is just to condition that simulated leather a little bit more if you want to do that. Again, it's not necessary, but it's something I do every now and then with my simulated leathers, just to kind of keep them nice and plush and looking good, and you know, not drying out too much. So that's a little bit about cleaning the custom seat covers. If you have more questions, please go to coversandcamo.com, contact us through email or phone, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. We appreciate you, and let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to getting a set built for you. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.